Welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on look number 2 using the LaColors Bare It All Makeup Eyeshadow Palette. And I did another kind of simple look with the shades in the palette, but this time I did a cut crease and I used one of the metallic shades, and these metallics are gorgeous. And to start, as always, we prime our eyes. We're using Milani eyeshadow primer, and we have some powder to catch fallout. And we are using the LaColors Nude Bare It All eyeshadow palette. This is the 4 eyeshadow palette. We're going to start by using the nude eyeshadow in the palette, the lightest nude in the palette. And we are going to windshield wiper that into our crease as like a transition color. It's also going to help the other shade blend and help have a little bit more color, dimension, and layering effect for the crease, for our cut crease. Well, next we're taking the darkest shade in the palette, and it's kind of like a red brown, and I'm taking that on this awesome crease brush from AOA Studio. It's the E129. Amazing for crease work, and we are just going to buff that into the crease. We are going to be windshield wipering that in the crease, somewhat kind of patting it too. Sometimes we're just building up the color gradually, and this is a pigmented color, or well, a shade in the palette, but I'd want to go about this slowly. So once I have the buildup that I am looking for, I will go back in with the crease brush that had the nude shade on there and blend with it. Now I'm taking the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer, and basically I'm just doing the cut crease. I've done this so many times on the video. I'm just placing the concealer, kind of blinking to get an idea of where the concealer's going for the crease line, if that makes sense. And then I'm just drawing off of that. And next we are going to take this beautiful goldeny metallic shade. These are a bit chunky, that's why I'm picking it up like this and tapping off, but it's beautiful. These metallics are absolutely beautiful, and they are 25 cents each eyeshadow. If you break it down that way, the palette's $1. Absolutely stunning. And I am using a combination of patting and a little bit of sweeping motion to place this on the lid, and because they are chunky, so in some aspects they're going to need to be swiped and pressed versus just solid sweeping. And we're going to reline that crease line with some more of the darkest shade in the little palette. We're going to do some more blending in the crease and blending with the highlight shade in a second. So the highlight shade is also from LaColors. It's a matte eyeshadow called French Vanilla. And we're going to go in and warm the crease back up with the dark shade, but not adding any more product on the brush, just the brush itself with the product, whatever's left on it. And we're going to tightline the upper and lower rims. And we're gonna go back in with the darkest shade in the palette on the sponge tip applicator, and I'm applying that to the lower lash line and blending that as I go. And then we're going to pop the same shade we used on the lid in the inner corner to bring light into the eye. We're doing a very thin liquid liner strip on the upper lashes, and we're going to curl our lashes, which I don't do a ton of, but today we're using the Maybelline Big Shot Mascara, applying that to our lashes. I'm going to do a couple coats of that, work it really into the lashes. I love this mascara. And then we're going to move on to our lip color. But there's the finished eyes. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, and super simple and easy. The lipstick I'm using today is from AOA Studio, and it is called Detox. This is from their 24-hour matte lipsticks. They're $1 a piece. They're definitely worth checking out. I've done reviews, and if I remember, I will link some of the reviews from Shop Masay and stuff in the description box below. as well as other LaColors videos. I thank you guys for watching. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful, and stay tuned for more LaColors videos. I just bought a ton more of LaColors stuff. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already, thumbs up the video, and thanks again for watching.